Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install two WhatsApp in one iPhone. First you have to go to 22app.vip, and after the site gets load, you will see the link download now. So click on it and it will ask you to install the application. So when you click install, it will start downloading the app on your home screen. Wait for a while to get it completed. So here we have the application is downloading on background. Wait for a second. Yeah, so it's on a home screen. So it's downloading the application. Wait for the installation. You have to do is go to settings, general, and then go to device management. You will see China television information. You will have to click on it and then just click trust China television information. Okay, trust. We have trusted the app. So let's go to the app. Click on home screen. Go to home screen. Yeah. Okay, so click on Tutu app. It will ask you for a notification. Allow, don't allow. It's up to you. Select don't allow. Okay, so swipe to the left and we have these apps in this application. Okay, so search WhatsApp plus. Okay, so we have bunch of applications here like WhatsApp plus duplicate. What we have to do is to install WhatsApp plus duplicate, because I have tried my iPhone 7 Plus, the first one WhatsApp plus didn't work. So I tried that third one, WhatsApp plus duplicate, so it got installed successfully. I also tried it on iPhone 8 and you can also try it on iPhone X. I hope it will work, or you can give it a try. So we'll wait for the download. When it gets downloaded, you will see the WhatsApp plus icon in your home screen. Okay, install it. So yeah, it will start installing on your home screen. After it gets installed, you can check it's the same WhatsApp or like original one. So you have two WhatsApp now. Just register your number and try that out. It's very good app, and I think it's very convenient for people who have two sims, or people who are living abroad, for like they have a home country number, or they have another country number and they want two WhatsApp to be installed on one iPhone. Give it a try. I hope you will like the video. Please subscribe. Thank you.